Hello my dear students, I am fine and I hope that all of you are fine. Students, in this class we will study remaining topics of chapter 4, that is decimals. We have already started chapter 4. We studied about introduction, how to change from fraction to decimal. Now in this class I will discuss with you the following topics. These topics are expanded form of decimals, then writing decimals from words to numeral and numeral to words. Means if decimal is given in the words, then how to write in numerals, and if it is given in numerals, then how to write in words. Thereafter we will discuss how to write the decimal number in place value chart. Means representation of decimals in place value chart, so that we can write the place value of the digits of a decimal number. So as you have read expanded form on numbers, the same way here you have to use. Before that you have to learn the definition, the place where the digits are. Definition means the decimal number, as we have discussed. A decimal number is a number in which we have two parts, integral part and whole part, or decimal part or fractional part. Means a decimal number, if we write, we put a point or decimal in between two parts, whole part or integral part and decimal part or fractional part. So as you have written already, you have done expanded form on integral or whole numbers. So for whole part you will write in the same way, but for fractional part you have to write according to the place value chart, as I discussed in previous class, means the class when we studied about decimals. Now once more I will tell you. For example, as you have any number, that is whole number 1, 2, 3. Suppose this number you have to write the expanded form of this number. So according to the place value of digits, you simply write the place value with the plus sign. For example, 3 here. So you start write ones, tens and hundreds. Here 100 ones, tens and hundreds only to make you understand. This can be written as, add 1 is at 100 place, so it should be 100. 100. 2 is at 10 place, so you write 20. And 3 is at 1 place, so you will write 3. So this is the expanded form of a whole number. Which number? Whole number. But if we are having 1, 2, 3, 0.25, it is a decimal number. Which number is it? A decimal number. Then how to write the expanded form of this number? You have to learn in this class. So as I told, here is whole part and here is decimal part. So expanded form of whole part you will write like this, and expanded form of decimal part you will write according to the place value of digits. For example, this can be written as, this is equal to, as you have written this one for this part. So we write 100 plus 20 plus 3. Then here is decimal point, so we write plus. After decimal we have one digit, then we write 0.2. Why 0? Because these numbers are whole part and we have already written digits for them. Means we have already written the expanded form for them. So when we write the first decimal point, or first decimal digit here, we put 0. Now up to here we can clear. Then we have to write this one. So this can be written 0.05. Okay. So next one will be 0.05. Another way you can also write like this. It will be 100 plus 20 plus 3. 100 plus 20 plus 3. Thereafter, as you know, 2 is at 10th place. 1 upon 10. Here 5 is at 100th place. 1 upon 100. Like this. So for 2 you can also write 2 by 10. And for 5 you can also write 5 by 100. As 2 in this number has come at 10th place and 5 has come at 100th place. So like this you can write the expanded form of any decimal number. Clear? I am going to solve one question from your exercise. Question number 1. Given exercise 4.1. Sorry, 4.2 here. And then one number question. It is written instruction. All of you can read it. Write the following in the expanded form. Write the following in the expanded form. The first question is here. 11.163. We have to write the expanded form of this decimal number. So you can first write expanded form of integral part. That is the whole part. So you will write 10 plus 1 plus this one. After decimal it is 1. So you can write for this 0.1 plus. It is coming at 100 plus. So you can write it 0.06. And it is coming at 1000th place. So you will write for it plus 0.003. Or in this way you can write it like this. 10 plus 1 plus 1 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Okay, so in this way you can write the expanded form of the numbers, the decimals given in exercise 4.2 of your book. The next topic is, I hope you understood how to write the expanded form of decimals. The next topic we have to read writing decimals from numerals to words and words to numerals. Numerals to words and words to numerals. So try to understand with the help of an example. Dear students, you know that how to write number names of the numerals. As you know, if we have 1, 2, 3, it is asked to write the number name. You can write 100, 23. Okay, so it is number name of whole numbers or integral numbers. If we have to write number name of a decimal number, then how to write? Suppose it is given number 1, 2, 3, 11.23. As I told in the introduction class of decimals that after decimal we read digits 1 by 1. So in the same way we write, you can write it 11 point or decimal. 11.23 means this decimal can be written in words 11.23. Clear? Or you can also write it 11 and 23 hundreds. 23 hundreds. Means 11.23 and 11 and 23 hundreds. In these two ways you can write a given decimal number into words. Now if words here like this given, you can easily write like this one. But it's quite easy to write. Suppose it is given 6 tenths. It is given. This one I am telling words to numeral. If it is given 6 tenths, 6 tenths. What are you doing? 6 by 10. 6 by 10 in fraction. But if in decimal you have to write, you will write 0.6. 0 means 0.6 you can write. I have also discussed with you. There is no difference in 0.6 and 0.6. These both are same. So do not confuse if it is written 0.6 or 0.6. Both are same. Okay. So if 6 tenths is written, you can write this. If it is 10, 1 and 20, 25, 25 hundreds. Then you will write 1 and 25 hundreds. 1.25. As in 25 hundreds, here to here it means 25 by 100. And 25 by 100 can be written decimal as 0.25. And one is also given. So 1 is whole part. So we can write it 1.25. In your book, question number 10, before it, instruction is written, read and write in words. So question number 10 is written 11.23. As I have told you, right, 11.2 question number 10 of exercise 4.2. In words 11.23 or you can write 11 and 23 hundreds. Okay. Now the next topic we have to discuss here, representation of decimals in the place value chart. Let us try to understand with the help of an example. You have already studied in chapter 1 representation of numbers in place value chart. But here we are going to learn about decimal numbers. Representation of decimal numbers. Suppose decimal numbers given, then how will you represent the decimal number in the place value chart? So that it can help you to write the place value of a digit. Yes. So I am drawing the place value chart. Try to understand. You have already studied about it. As you know, if here is decimal point, we have to the left of decimal point ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on, and to the right we write tens, hundreds, hundreds and thousands and so on. Here you can write thousands and so on. So this is the place value chart. Place value chart. Okay. Now, if we have a decimal number and we have to represent that decimal number in decimal chart, we will first make this place value chart. Then we write the numbers, the digits according to their places. Okay. In question number 16 of your book, it is written exercise 4.2, question number 16. The number which is given to you is 46.278. Is it written? 46.278. You have to write this number into place value chart. As instruction given, represent the following decimals in the place value chart. Then write the place value of 7 in each. Means you have given here 6 questions and it is asking that you first represent the given decimals in place value chart and then write the place value of digit 7 in each case. So first one I am taking question number 16 and it is 46.278. So 4 will come here at 10's place, 6 will come at 1's place, decimal is here. Just after decimal we have 2, then we write 2 at 10th place, then 7, then we write 7 at 7th place, 100th place, and 8 will come at 1000th place. Now it is very easy for you to write the place value of digit 7. 7 has come at which place? You can see here. What is the place value of 7? 700. As you are seeing here, 7 will come at 100 plus, you can write 700. Means place value of 7 in this case, place value of 7 equal to 700, or you can also write it 7 by 100. And in decimal point we write 0.07. Like this, you can represent all the decimals which is given to you in the place value chart, and then you write the place value of digit 7. I hope you understood all the topics that I discussed here. On behalf of this discussion, you will solve exercise. Means your homework will be exercise 4.2. So thank you students for this class. Bye. Please take care.